This is the entire lights in here. It is really bright. Let me get closer so you guys can see a little bit better on the actual light fixture. All right, today we're gonna bring this is a bathroom fixture light, or it could be entrances if you want, optional. Now this is a immediate actually material cloth, all right, kind of, and it's gonna require regular light bulbs, no more than 60 watts on it. All right, so we're gonna set this up. Just make sure you have a strong backing. This is not that heavy, but to give you everything that's necessary, you are going to have separate cables, which are about the same thing. All right, you can have your hot and your neutral on one side, but you are going to require to do ground. All right, and ground, it comes with an actual screw that you set up in here where it says ground. All right, so we're going to set this up first. This is the strongest part. You got to set this up prior to setting up, and you got 3 fixtures you have to set up on the actual light. So let's set it up on over a mirror. All right, here's the light fixture. I put in lights that are really bright. Its entire brightness, I put it right over the actual glass here, the mirror. But look at this. I like that there's a fabric. As long as you don't have over 60 watts, it's perfect for the light bulbs. They have different colors. This is brass, silver. I'm nickel plated. All right, so this is really bright. The light fixture took me about 20-30 minutes to set up on the existing place that I had already. It took me 3 light bulbs, 3 screw-ins, and that's pretty much it. Assembly was very simple. The instructions are intuitive. So if you're trying to build something for your bathroom or your kitchen or your entrance, this is perfect.